Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text using Wi-Fi. First, you'll need to ensure your phone supports Wi-Fi calling, as this feature often includes texting over Wi-Fi. This capability allows you to send and receive messages even when cellular service is weak or unavailable, relying instead on an internet connection. It's a fantastic way to stay connected without relying on a strong cell signal, offering flexibility and convenience. To get started, navigate to your phone settings. Look for an option like Wi-Fi calling or calls over Wi-Fi within your network or connection settings. Once you find it, simply toggle the feature on. Your phone might prompt you to confirm or enter an emergency address, which is important for safety. After these quick steps, your device is ready to utilize Wi-Fi for both calls and texts. With Wi-Fi calling enabled, the process for sending texts is incredibly straightforward. Just ensure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then, open your regular messaging application, whether it's your phone's default app or a third-party option. You can compose and send messages exactly as you always do. Your phone will automatically route these texts over the Wi-Fi connection when cellular service is not available. Utilizing Wi-Fi for texting offers several fantastic advantages. You can often save money on your monthly phone bill, especially if you're frequently in areas with Wi-Fi but limited cell coverage, reducing reliance on cellular data. It also allows you to communicate seamlessly in places where cell service is notoriously poor, like basements or remote locations. Plus, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.